ass brother.
Okay, so this is the makeup. Oh, I'm greasy up under here.
See, that's why you can't be ready.
No, I'm already ready. So, no, I'm already ready. Good morning. Hey y'all, it's DeeDee. This is your first time tuning in. Go ahead and click the subscribe button for all my return subscribers. Thank you. As you can see, it is a very rainy morning. Excuse me, I'm not sure how long it's supposed to rain today, but it's a little dark outside. It's not as bright as it, as it usually is. So my mama came yesterday. She's upstairs with the kids and I'm cooking breakfast. Asian just got off from work. So I don't know how today is gonna go. We have a date night tonight, but I just walked outside and it's cold. Like I had a dress to wear, so child, I might be wearing pants, I don't know. But we're all just gonna figure it out. So again, welcome, and we're just gonna get through this day and pretty much see how it goes. Good morning, pretty girl.
Good morning, Mommy.
You were a good girl last night?
Mm-hmm.
You been a good girl with Granny?
Mm-hmm.
What's that on TV? Rio. What were you upstairs with Granny doing?
We were relaxing.
Oh, y'all were relaxing?
Yeah.
Okay, girl. Okay, so this is breakfast for the kids. We got croissants, bacon, and strawberries. Callie said she wanted her bacon long and not broken half, so I just left hers long and I broke Cam's, but Cam woke up on the wrong side of the bed today, so he's having a little moment right now, so I'm gonna let him get through his moment and then he'll come back downstairs. You feel better?
Yes.
Good. Can I give you a kiss? Good morning, my sweet Cam.
Mommy.
Did you sleep good last night?
Mommy, I can't see the TV.
Did you sleep good?
Mommy, I can't see the TV.
Okay, Callie. Cam, did you sleep good?
Yes.
I guess Cam is supervising. Tuki, I'm almost done, okay? I'm standing over my shoulder. I'm almost done. You look good?
Yes.
Okay. Thank you. You're so sweet. All of his. Asian getting ready to go lay down. Just got off from work. You had a happy plate? Good job. Good job. And Cam had a happy plate too. Yay. Y'all ate all the food. Good job.
Oh, yeah.
Callie, it's time to get your hair washed. You gonna say wash day?
Wash day.
Okay, so mama's gonna set your tablet up. Well, look, I got your pad, look. See? So I'm gonna set your tablet up so you can watch your tablet, okay?
Okay.
And put your tablet right here. There we go. Relax, say hi, relax. Okay, so Callie's hair was in those plaits for a long time, so I'm going to use a clarifying shampoo. This is the clarifying shampoo I'm going to use. And then I'm going to go in with this moisturizing shampoo by the Main Choice.
Okay,
And then I'm going to use the Main Choice conditioner. So I don't use just only kids products. Hold on, my tripod on her hair. I use whatever works. These products have worked on my hair, so I use them on Callie's hair. Callie's hair is similar to my texture, like really, really tight curls, dry, doesn't hold moisture well, so I use what works. People do what they want to do. I'm gonna do what I want to do. So this is what I use on my baby's hair, and I feel like it's been working. I'm going to try to just wash it, and I don't know if I'm gonna blow dry it or not. I guess we'll just see. We'll see how it goes. All right, Mom, you're gonna have to lay down. It's not gonna get in your eye, okay? I ain't gonna get in your eye.
I want to hold you.
You wanna hold me? Okay, hold me. Nose, head, ear, cheek, hand, elbow. Gotcha. Oh, we gotta start, okay? Here we go. You ready?
I ask myself, we can be closer. I played those same games 1,000 times over, and you played those long nights. yeah. I like how you wrap around the edges. Laying on your chest in my bed now. Loving all the days we together. If they don't get it, then forget it. I do, yeah, I do. The way I do. And they don't only like you. All the things that we've been through. Love when you call me baby, make me feel like a lady. And we go off around the cave. Your love is never lazy. But when I wake up, you ain't there. Now I'm going crazy. I ask myself why we can be closer. I play close.
Okay, so the hair is washed and conditioned, and I have absolutely no idea what I'm going to do with her hair, y'all. So I think I'm gonna just stretch it, maybe. Cause yeah, I'm not gonna style it today, but I think I may just stretch it. Come here, mama. Yeah, I think I may just see how curly it is. Stretch her hair with a blow dryer and just put it in some little ponytails. And then tomorrow I'll figure out if I'm going to do plaits or if I'm gonna try to do the twist. I may try to do one twist now just to see if it work or not. Turn around. Let me do that right quick. Let's see. Cam, are you okay? Okay, but don't be too loud. You're gonna wake up daddy, okay? See, this is the length. So let's see if I plait it. I think it might work. Turn around, mama. Look like it'll be long enough to do it like that. Like I said, it probably will work better wet. I just don't have the energy to do it. So I think I'm gonna just stretch it and then like re-wet it tomorrow and see, but I like the way that came out.
I pulled up in that 18th, let it repeat buggy. Had to switch to hue cause I'm LA boy smuggy, but more likely to get hurt by somebody who love me. My lady, she don't trust me. Know I'm a sick puppy. Know that women throw themselves at me and men want me. Anything could happen for attention and rent money. I got so much on my plate, that's why I sit funny. So many handouts, so much back bending, so much entitlement. My family be acting in so many white diamonds. Yeah, I got jungle fever, but they didn't raise me, so shout out black women. So much commenting, show me what you good at. Tell me the highs of the valley that your boots stood at. You couldn't fit in my loafers if you took a steroid, and I wouldn't handle your baggage if I had a bellboy. I'm rarely replying to texts, barely enjoying the sex. I got a pain in my chest, that's from suppressing the stress. Lionel, he know me the best. Told me I know the answer, but Clancy, he gave.
Okay, so this is the makeup. Oh, I'm greasy up under here.
See, that's why you can't be ready.
No, I'm already ready. So, no, I'm already ready. This is the final look of the makeup that Boss Lady, I think, by the Lip Bar. And then I'm gonna see if I can show y'all the dress. They clowning me talking about that's why I ain't. I'm ready. All I gotta do is put my shoes on and a little bit of perfume.
Y'all must be going to the trade.
Another little
You
kid
can
here.
wear your Crocs in the car, and then
I always take my Crocs.
And then from the parking lot ain't that big,
Girl.
Exactly.
Yeah, Adrian talking about show ain't. You ain't got no heels on.
You should be able to make it from the parking lot.
This is the dress. I just don't know if I'm gonna be able to keep the shoes on, or I may switch my shoes. Exactly. I tried to wear some not too long ago, and my feet really started hurting. So I have some that's shorter. Did you want to try something different? Yeah, I don't know about elk. I think I'm gonna go with what I always get, the lamb chops, and keep it simple with that. Although the pork chop is tempting. Yeah, I think they stopped doing it. The infamous crab cake that we love so much. Kind of hard. It's good.
I love the way it is.
Your eyes meet mine. So we are back from date night. It started off a little rocky. The service started off a little rocky. We just asked for 2 Dr. Peppers and she didn't bring our drinks back. And then we ordered the crab cakes and they came out too hard. So I told y'all I'm at a point in my life where if something don't sit right, especially if I'm spending a lot of money on dinner, it's going back. So we sent the crab cakes back and got some fresh ones. Then she finally brought out Dr. Peppers. And I feel like after that, it got better. She started watching when we needed refills. And then the food came out hot. We was getting nervous about the food. We was like, she ain't going to the kitchen and checking. But the food ended up coming out hot. So everything was good. We enjoyed it. I'm glad that we got a chance to go out. It was a lot of people there. It was a lot of people. But dinner was really good. It was just nice to just talk without being interrupted. Talk without being interrupted. Not have to take the kids to the bathroom. Not have to cut their food when it comes out. Not have to move the tablets. Not have to do all the things that we typically do when we go out to eat. So it's really good. So now, back at the house, reality set in. I have to clean my face. I'm trying to figure out what I want to use to take my makeup off. I wish I had an oil. Oh, I do have an oil. Let me show y'all the oil I have right quick. I have this deep cleansing oil by DHC. I don't know what DHC stands for. But anyways, I'm going to use this. It's just messy. The oil I had before, you get the oil, you put it on like one of these little cloths and wipe it off. And then I would deep clean after that. But they don't sell it anymore. At least I haven't found it. It's by Philosophy. So yeah, like you see, I do use this. But yeah, it's just messy. So I'm going to go through and try to clean my face as best I can with the oil. Then I'll probably go over it with this. And then I have a face scrub that I need to find. And then I'll do that just to get it off. That's why I don't like wearing makeup, y'all. Because I don't like taking it off at the end of the night. That's why I wear makeup probably like once every 2 or 3 months because of this. Good morning. It's Sunday. I'm in Adrian's truck, so I don't have my little dash thing to record. So I'm just holding the phone. But yeah, it's very brisk. I think that means cold. Outside, it's like a good 52. And I got me some coffee. And, you know, I just have to take a deep breath before I go in the store. Because I feel like it's Sunday and there's going to be a lot of people in here. I have to do the same thing when I'm going to Walmart. Because I don't like large crowds. But, yeah, Adrian got me up here at Kroger. Because he said, well, he didn't say. He asked if I would cook today. So, of course, I couldn't say no. Because he always cooks Sunday dinner. So he was like, can you cook? And he asked me to cook some pasta. Yeah. Some Alfredo, some chicken Alfredo pasta. So I'm like, okay, cool. So what I'm thinking I'm going to do is I typically make the sauce from scratch. So I'm going to make the sauce from scratch like I always do. But I think I'm going to cheat and either buy a whole chicken or buy like some chicken breast already cooked or something like that to put in there. But as long as you have the homemade sauce in, it'll taste good. But like I said, I'm just sitting outside just trying to get my mind right, drink my coffee. He at home cooking breakfast. He had already called me and added 4 things to my list. So I'm probably gonna be in here all day because I'm not as familiar with Kroger as I am with Walmart. I know where stuff is in Walmart, the neighborhood Walmart that is, but this Kroger, I know where the fruit at, but that's about it. So we're just gonna see how it goes.
Place your order.
I made it. So I've been in the store for 1 hour. Okay. But I got everything I needed. And the total was $137. And yeah, I actually thought it was gonna be like $200. So I am not too surprised by it. I'm just glad that I'm on my way home. The store was packed and they had one person checking out and everybody had to do self-checkout. So it was pretty crazy. But I just took my time. I got all my stuff, child. So I am making my homemade sauce and I'm really crossing my fingers that it comes out right. So we're gonna have chicken Alfredo with corn on the cob and green beans. The only thing with making the homemade sauce is you just got to keep stirring. And honestly, the cream, the heavy cream doesn't taste like anything, so you have to put a lot of seasoning in it, which I'm probably gonna have to go back and put some more seasoning. But I chopped up a little bit of red pepper, onion, and green pepper, and I didn't want to put too much because I knew the kids weren't gonna eat it if they saw it. So yeah, just stirring because it looked like the cheese be melted, but it really don't be melted. So I'm trying to get it to come to a boil and just keep stirring around to melt the cheese. Okay, so do y'all see how the sauce thickened up? That is what you want. You want it to get thick, you just gotta keep stirring. I just turned it off, but I just wanted to show y'all how it had thickened up. Finally, my pasta is done. I knew I was gonna have too much sauce, so I just put the extra sauce in here. Don't it look nice and creamy? You not see it? I don't want to spill it, but anyways. I just took some out of the skillet because I just had a feeling that it was gonna be too much, and it was. But yeah, I'm done with the pasta. The taste is not 100% how I want it, but 90%, so we just gonna roll with that.
Mommy, are you cooking nothing now?
My little taste tester. You ate it?
Uh-huh.
So what you think about the pasta?
It's good.
Is it?
It's like yellow.
It's yellow?
Yeah.
Do you like the way it tastes though?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
You want them? I have some more in your taste.
You want some more? Callie, I done gave you 3 bites, mama.
I want some.
It's late, but the kids absolutely love the pasta. I didn't know if Cam would like it or not because he does like pasta, but he loved it. He asked for some more. Of course, Callie liked it. She just loved pasta no matter what. And Adrian liked it too. So everybody enjoyed the pasta. So I was excited about that. Like, okay, I did something right. But I just feel like cooking kind of threw my Sunday routine off, if you know what I mean. But anyways, Adrian picked up some of the stuff that I did. Like I ironed the kids' clothes for a whole week. So he did that. And I thought I was gonna do something with Callie hair. I ain't do nothing with her hair, child. I just cooked. And that was the end of it. I got through that. So anyways, I just wanted to end this vlog by saying that instead of ending it so, what's the word I'm looking for? Abruptly. So anyways, thank you guys so much for supporting my channel. I really appreciate it. Y'all just don't understand. Y'all really make my day, especially when y'all leave comments. Yeah, and so until next time, talk to you later. Bye.